What's up guys, welcome back to the Entre YouTube channel. Today I want to take you through an amazing Twitter thread posted by Tommy Clark about how TikTok is becoming a leading search engine. So Tommy begins by talking about how TikTok is making a push to take Google's crown as the world's leading search engine. But apparently it's been something that's been brewing for months, with people even tweeting out, "I don't Google anymore, I TikTok." So this has been gaining a lot of traction recently, with Techcrunch dropping an article about this happening, and then TikTok explicitly starting to encourage search behavior within the app. And Techcrunch's article was titled, "Google Exec Suggests Instagram and TikTok Are Eating Into Google's Core Products, Search and Maps." So let's take a look at the numbers. So according to Google's SVP, in his studies, something like almost 40% of young people, when they're looking for a place for lunch, they don't go to Google Maps or search, they go to TikTok or Instagram. And now if you're like me or Tommy, you're asking why? Why would you go to TikTok instead of Google? But it says that younger internet users, people in the ages of 18 through 24, they look for new information in a more visually rich format, like TikTok videos, which is why TikTok is absolutely smacking Google right now. On top of that, TikTok is more trustworthy, or that's at least what people believe. People who use TikTok as a search engine say they find the results more trustworthy compared to Google's SERP, which is filled with ads and SEO optimized content. And I will say, when Tommy then compared the two of them, it actually makes a lot more sense why people believe that TikTok is more trustworthy. So when you go over to Google, you can see that the top two results are ads. But then when you jump over to TikTok, you see that there's no ads. It's mostly visuals. It looks extremely visually pleasing, and it looks trustworthy. I mean, for me personally, looking at this now, I would much rather just look on TikTok and see all these videos and see what people have to say about them, rather than look at some ads that some company paid thousands of dollars to get on the top of Google. And then Tommy told an interesting story too about how he actually used TikTok to search up something that he would normally search on Google. So for him, he was planning a trip abroad, but he needed to find a hostel in Madrid. And so he said that he's been on a travel influencer kick since he had gone to Barcelona, and he'd seen a bunch of videos hitting his For You page covering the best hostels in Europe, the best party hostels, and things like that. And so he said, okay, well, what if I try searching the best hostels in Madrid? And so he did, and got this beautiful page of results. And it really does look great. I mean, this is much more pleasing to the eye than looking up Google searches about hostels. And now you're hearing from people that are just normal, real people like you, which does instill a lot more trust in what they have to say. Tommy also pointed out how TikTok has an others search for bar to try and encourage people to search even more. And so he said, after sifting through all the videos, he saw a common theme is that people kept recommending this place called Cat's Hostel Madrid. And so he thought, hey, maybe there's something to it. Let me go search it up on Google now to just verify that it's real and it's legit. And so we did, and it had a 9.1 rating with 9,400 reviews, and so it's definitely legit. And so we bought it, and it started with a TikTok search. So I just thought that that was an amazing thread. I think Tommy did an incredible job of talking about the search engine on TikTok and why it's going to take over Google. I mean, for me looking at that, I'm kind of with him on it. I mean, I don't usually search on TikTok for things that I search on Google for. But seeing it this way, it's like, yeah, I do kind of want to see things in a more visually pleasing way. I do want to see it with more pictures and videos and normal people, rather than having to go on Google and see 5 ads at the top that people paid a ton of money for. It just doesn't make it seem as credible or make it seem as real as TikTok, where it's just real people out there exploring the world. Now, I will say that eventually, if TikTok becomes a search engine, they're probably going to have ads too, and it's probably going to become saturated with that as well. So I hope that TikTok finds a better way to do their search engine where it can still really be run by the people. But I'm just interested to see where it goes. So comment down below what you guys think about this. Do you use TikTok for your search engine, or will you begin to use TikTok for your search engine after watching this video? Because I know I certainly will, so I'm just going to definitely be keeping you guys updated on that and how I feel about the search engine as I continue to use it more, if I transition from Google straight to TikTok, or just how that journey goes for me. But let me know how it goes for you guys as well. And as always, make sure you guys like and subscribe and hit that bell so you can always get notified when I post videos. I'm posting videos a couple times a week about startups, tech, Web3, crypto, NFTs, and a whole lot more. So make sure you guys are always keeping updated with that. And make sure you guys join Entre as well. We are a Web3 professional network, and in here you can meet and network network with so many amazing people that are in all of these spaces that I talk about on this channel. There's also a ton of news, a ton of great content being put out every single day. So if you're interested in tech, NFTs, Web3, crypto, and so much more, definitely make sure to make an account on Entre. You will not regret it. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching and take care.